Welcome students. This is sixth part of important MCQs of environmental studies with answer. Course code is 22447. First question is Article 51A of Indian Constitution represents first option directive principles, second fundamental duties, third both A and B, and fourth none. And the answer is B, that is 51A represents fundamental duties. Article 48A in the Constitution of India represents first directive principles, second fundamental duties, third both A and B, and fourth none. And the answer is A, that is 48A represent directive principles. It shall be duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment including forest, lake, river and wildlife, and to have dash for living creatures. First option competition, second concurrence, third compassion, and fourth contingence. And the answer is C, that is compassion. The state shall endure to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the dash and dash of the country. First option forest and human life, second human life and wildlife, third plants and trees, and fourth forest and wildlife. And the answer is D, that is forest and wildlife. Which among the following is Act of Environmental Protection? First, Biological Diversity Act 2002. Second, National Green Tribunal Act 2010. Third, Batteries Management and Handling Rules 2001. And fourth, all of the above. And the answer is D, that is all of the above. These are the Environmental Protection Acts. Article 48A was added by the Constitution-wide Dash Amendment in 1976. First option 22, second 32, third 42, and fourth 45. And the answer is C, that is 42 amendment in 1976. An ability or capacity of something to be maintained or to sustain itself is known as first biodiversity, second ecology, third sustainability, and fourth all of the above. And the answer is C, that is it is known as sustainability. Sustainable development includes first economical development, second generate resources, third maintain balance between human and environment, fourth all of the above. And the answer is D, that is all of the above. These are the sustainable development factors. Which of the following is an aspect of sustainable development? First social, second environmental, third economical, and fourth all of the above. And the answer is D, that is the all of the above, social, environmental and economical. These are the aspects of sustainable development. Water management includes first rainwater harvesting, second groundwater recharge, third green belt development, and fourth all of the above. And the answer is D, that is all of the above. Water management includes rainwater harvesting, groundwater recharge, and green belt development. Dash is a hydrologic process where water moves downward from surface water to groundwater. First, rainwater harvesting, second, groundwater recharge, third, green belt development, and fourth, all of the above. And the answer is B, that is groundwater recharge. It is the hydrologic process where water moves downward from surface water to groundwater. Green belt development benefited in first, reducing air pollution, second, water conservation, third, reduced soil erosion, and fourth, all of the above. And the answer is B, that is all of the above. It is benefited in reducing air pollution, water conservation, and soil erosion. Formal environmental education represents education first within the classroom, second outside the classroom, third both A and B, and fourth none, and the answer is A, that is formal environmental education represent education within the classroom. Mankind need environmental education for first environmental pollution, second environmental degradation, third environmental protection, and fourth environmental publication, and the answer is C, that is mankind need environmental education for environmental protection. Both formal and non-formal environmental education must have dash goals. First different, second common, third two, and fourth all. And the answer is B, they must have common goals. Which among the following is not an act of environmental protection? First, Biomedical Waste Management and Handling Rules 1998. Second, Recycle Plastics Manufacture and Uses Rule 1999. Third, Construction and Demolition Waste Management Rule 2016. And Conservation of Plastic Waste and Increasing Act 2016. And the answer is D, that is Conservation of Plastic Waste and Increasing Act 2016. Administrative framework for environmental protection includes first, Central Pollution Control Board, second, State Pollution Control Board, third, Ministry of Environment and Forest, and fourth, all of the above. And the answer is D, that is all of the above. Central Pollution Control Board is formed to first, prevent the environmental pollution, second, promote the environmental pollution, third, practice the environmental pollution, and fourth, all of the above. And the answer is A, that is Central Pollution Control Board is formed to prevent the environmental pollution. Maharashtra Pollution Control Board is established on first, 7 September 1980, second, 7 September 1990, third, 7 September 1970, and fourth, 7 September 1960. And the answer is C, that is 7 September 1970. The responsibilities of Pollution Control Board is first, create public awareness, second, inspect sewage, third, inspect air control system, and fourth, none. And the answer is C, that is inspect air control system. NGO stands for first, non-governance organization, second, non-government optimization, third, non-government organization, and fourth, non-government organizer. And the answer is C, that is NGO stands for non-government organization. Supposed to be working not for profit but for cause or causes is first NGO, second CGO, third GOO, and fourth MGO. And the answer is A, that is NGO. It is working for not for profit but for causes. Narmada Bachao Andolan is initiated by first Nana Patekar, second Amir Khan, third Medha Patkar, and fourth Sardar Patel. And the answer is C, that is Narmada Bachao Andolan is initiated by Medha Patkar. The study to predict the effect of a proposed activity or project on the environment is known as first, sustainable development, second, environmental impact assessment, third, environmental improvement, and fourth, environmental cultivation. And the answer is B, that is environmental impact assessment. EIA, environmental impact assessment, can be seen as a first, measuring tool, second, product, third, multiplying tool, and fourth, none. And the answer is A, that is EIA can be seen as measuring. Any special area which runoff from precipitation is collected and drained through a common point or outlet is called green belt, second, rainfall, third, watershed, and fourth, rainwater harvesting. And the answer is C, that is it is called as watershed. The main component of watershed program first water conservation, second soil conservation, third crop management, and fourth all of the above. And the answer is D, that is all of the above. These are the main components of watershed program. National River Linkage Project hydropower generation is proposed. First about 3400 megawatt, second about 44000 megawatt, third about 34000 megawatt, and fourth about 4400 megawatt. And the answer is C, that is 3400 megawatt. Watershed within crop field is called as micro watershed, second small watershed, and third large watershed, and fourth all of the above. And the answer is A, that is watershed within crop field, it is called as micro watershed. National River Linkage Project include interlinking of rivers across the country through network of dash storage dams. First 30 and 3000, that is 30 rivers and 3000 dams. Second 37 3000, third 40 3000, and fourth 47 3000, and the answer is B, that is 37 3000. Formal environmental education begins at first research level, second college level, third high school level, and fourth primary school level. And the answer is D, that is formal environmental education begins at primary school level. Sustainable development by solving problems of environment teach at first post-research level, second college or university level, third high school level, and fourth primary school level. And the answer is B, that is college or university level. Adult education is first formal education, second non-formal, primary education, and fourth is group education. And the answer is B, that is adult education is non-formal education. GIS stands for Geographical Information System, Geological Information System, Geographical Importation System, and Geographical Information Solution. And the answer is A, that is GIS stand for Geographical Information System. Which of the following is not an IT tool used for environment and public health? First Arogya Setu app, second artificial intelligence, third MS Word, and fourth GIS. And the answer is C, that is MS Word. It is not IT tool used for environment or public health.